Can I start this one off?
Yeah.
Because I'll start this one off.
Yeah.
Hi, guys and girls.
Hi guys, girls.
Yeah, there you go. You didn't see that coming, did you?
There's got to be a little bit of variation in the theme.
Well, that's right. That's right. Because I start off with hi, guys and girls.
Okay, so guys and girls, we're looking at types of triangles.
Types of triangles, easy.
And we're going to classify types of triangles based on how long the sides are.
Is that how you do it? Is that how you decide what type they are, but just looking at the sides?
Yeah, that's how we decide what type of triangle they are. We look at the sides.
Cool.
And we give it a name based on the sides.
Okay.
Okay? There's some ways to look at it based on the angles, but we're not doing that today.
All right.
Today's all about the sides.
Sides. So equilateral, I'm hearing the word equal in that.
Yep.
So I'm going to guess that they're equal.
Perfect. So here we've got 3 equal matchsticks. And as you can see, because they're made in a factory that makes matchsticks, they're all the same. 1, 2, 3.
I wanted to get a job in a matrix factory doing quality control testing them, but I reckon the company would go broke really quick.
Yeah, it would. I think your calling is music teaching and maths teaching, and we'll leave matchsticks to the
I
experts.
could just sit there and go, well, that one works. That's right. That one works. I
That
could
would
do
be
that.
great.
Quality control in a matchstick factory.
Cool. Oh, so we've got 3 equal sides.
Right?
And when we make that into a triangle, we can't help but make an equilateral triangle.
Okay.
So
Equal
that's an
sides.
equilateral triangle. If I turn it around or did it in a different way, that would still be an equilateral
So
triangle.
the sides are all equal.
Sides are all equal.
Happy with that?
Okay, and just as a side note, if we measure the angles, they should be 60 degrees.
They're all 60 degrees.
They'll all be 60 degrees just for that one, because if the sides are equal, the angles also have to be equal.
Fantastic, right?
And the only 3 things that are equal that are up to 180, 60.
Brilliant.
Okay,
Right.
so that's an equilateral triangle.
Great. Next one.
Okay, the next one we'll look at is an isosceles triangle.
Isosceles.
Isosceles triangle. Okay, an isosceles triangle has 2 sides that are the same. So again, we'll look at 2 matchsticks that are the same. Okay, and we
So
might
this
cut one.
This one's less than that. Well, how about if I just go boom? I'll cut
Yeah.
it there, sort of thing.
So we've got 2 that are the same and one that's different. Okay, this is a different one because he's smaller than that and smaller than that. So when it's got 2 that are the same and one that's different, that's an isosceles.
So we've got 2 the same.
One that's different.
Should
So
got
an
some
equilateral
matches, yeah.
has 3 that are the same.
Yep.
An isosceles has 2 the same.
So I'm going to go with 3, 2. What about this one here? So they can't have 2 the same. So
Nope.
they can't have, so we start off with our
3 sticks.
yeah.
They all have to be different.
Ah, righto. So if I go,
Okay.
if I just take that one over there, so and I go that.
Go the snip.
So they're all different now.
They're all different, but
Yep.
they won't make a triangle.
They won't.
No, because you started off with 2 things that are the same, and if you try to make a triangle, it'll just flatten out.
Be weird, yeah.
So we need a 3rd one that's a little bit bigger than him.
A little bit bigger than that one, say, but not as big as that.
Not as big as that.
Sort of there, sort of thing.
I'd give it a little bit more.
There,
A
sort of
little
thing.
bit more.
A little bit more.
Yep, there.
There. Right. Okay, you shouldn't do this at home. Right?
Yeah, don't play with matches at home.
Yeah, don't do this at home. Go to someone else's place to do it. Right.
Ask mum and dad's permission first.
That's right. Before you play with matches or sharp like scissor
Scissors.
things. Yeah, because that's and just for the record, we're also wearing safety goggles
We are.
and safety earmuffs because
Safety.
eyes and ears. when
Eyes and
you're
ear protection.
Cutting matches.
Also
yeah.
wear steel cap shoes just in case
Still
you're on
carrying shoes as well. That's right. And a hazmat environment. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so they're all different now. They're all different size.
They're all different sizes.
Yep.
Okay. And if we make it into a triangle, that triangle is called
A scalene.
a scalene triangle.
There you go. All different sides.
Yep. So no same.
No same. No same. You should have put a space there. Well, no
I
same.
should have.
Let's just go with no same.
No same.
It's a word. Let's go with no same. We're in
No
maths. We
same.
can make up our own words.
No same.
No same.
And there's still no space.
No same
Okay,
has,
third time's the charm.
has no spaces in between.
No. And we'll put a big space.
Use a finger space.
Same.
There you go. No same.
No same.
There you go. So that's
Okay.
how you classify triangles.
Yep. And the way you'll see them drawn is just with the little dash system. Okay?
Yeah.
So this one has no dashes that are the same. 1,
Right.
2, 3.
Yep.
This one will dash what's the same.
Right. Okay. So will that have a line as well, or just?
They might have a line, it might not.
Okay.
Usually you use the dashes to say same as.
Right. Okay.
So identify that it's not the same is not as crucial as saying the ones that are the same.
Yep.
And then 3 the same, they'll all have the same dashes.
There you go. Classifying triangles.
That is classifying triangles.
Thanks, girls and guys.
Bye guys and girls.
Girls and guys.
Bye girls and guys.
Guys and guys. Fantastic.